Wanna get this? Then you click it on the right video. Today I will show you guys how to edit fast in Fortnite on keyboard and mouse. With keyboard and mouse this fast. Like that. My video settings are these. My audio settings are these. My combination are these. Save in game. I went a little too fast. I use these. You want to copy these. And if you have this none, you will get this slow edits. Some say it's better for this big. Because you can make this big. Then you have this on both. Look, like that. These are my sensitivity. 6.4, 6.4, 51, 50, 130, 80, 100. Legacy, you want to have this in legacy. And copy this 60, 72, 125. These are my keyboard settings. I want to have my pickaxe on my mouse because I think it's the best. These are my building. You want to have F in your edit and G in your Jevak building edit. Because when you press those at the same time, if you edit with E, you can. What's the closest to your edit bind? You have to bind it to the Jevak building edit. Then you want to click those same time as fast as you can, and it should look like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to play with me, you can add this and I will add you, send a friend request and I will add you. And that's the video.